This superb and charming Grade 2 listed 17th century cottage in the heart of sought-after Geddington enjoys a privileged position with a very interesting history, still evident in the numerous period features, from the spacious entrance hall with glazed door, tiled flooring, with a boot room, guest cloakroom and utility room. The deceptively large accommodation includes the generously sized living room overlooking the front, benefiting from a window seat below stripped shutters, original beams and dresser, and an Inglenook fireplace with an inset log burner. There's a further versatile dining room or snug and the study, providing the perfect home office or working space. To the rear, the fabulous beamed family kitchen breakfast room boasts an extensive range of bespoke solid wood units with an integrated butler-style sink, space and extractor for a range cooker available by negotiation, ceramic tile splashbacks, space for a breakfast table and chairs, and an original bread oven dating back to the 17th century. Upstairs, from the first floor landing, there are 4 good-sized bedrooms, 3 of them doubles, served by a family bathroom with a close-coupled WC, pedestal wash basin and panelled bath, and complemented by an additional shower room. Outside, the rear garden is a great size and predominantly laid to lawn, with planted borders and fruit trees, fully enclosed with gated access to the village pocket park. There's parking and access to a double garage, including one rented from Bourton Estates, while the neat wraparound frontage features a lawned garden with planted borders and mature foliage, including a spectacular magnolia tree, and retained by picket fencing. For further details of this inspiring home, or to arrange a viewing, please call Henderson Cornellan on 01536 417 888.